Hey there, and welcome back to Palm Pod, the Peace of Mind podcast, where we make estate planning simple, stress free, and maybe even a little bit fun. I'm your host, Travis Gasper, founder of Gasper Law in Texas. Today, we're talking directly to the parents and the students who are gearing up for college. And no, we're not talking about textbooks, ramen noodles, or mini fridges. We're talking about the adulting paperwork every new college student should have before move in day. Don't worry, this isn't scary legal jargon. In fact, these are simple steps you can take to protect your student and reduce your stress before any emergencies arise. Let's dive in. So, you're off to college. You've packed the car, you've bought the twin XL sheets, maybe you've cried in the parking lot of Target, no judgment. But have you packed the most important thing your student needs now that they're legally an adult? I'm talking about their estate planning documents. Yes, even 18-year-olds need some basic legal tools in place. Because once they turn 18, parents no longer have automatic access to their medical or financial information. And that can get tricky fast in an emergency. So let's go over the 4 documents every college student needs and a couple of bonus options too. Document 1, a medical power of attorney. If your student is in an accident or hospitalized, hospitals can't legally share information with you, and you may not be able to step in to make decisions. A medical power of attorney lets your student name someone, usually a parent or trusted adult, to make healthcare decisions if they can't. Pro tip, add a backup agent, just in case the first person is unavailable. Emergencies don't always follow the script. Even if you're footing the bill for tuition and health insurance, HIPAA laws block you from accessing medical information once your child is 18. This form gives you permission to get updates on their condition, test results, or treatment status, which is crucial in emergencies. Because when something scary happens, the last thing you want is to be stuck on hold, unable to get answers. Document 3, a durable or financial power of attorney. Let's say your student needs someone to access their bank account, handle tuition payments, or sign paperwork while they're studying abroad. A durable financial power of attorney allows a trusted adult to step in and handle financial matters, temporarily or long-term. This is especially useful for students attending college out of state or traveling internationally. Document 4, a FERPA waiver, optional. FERPA is the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, and it basically blocks schools from sharing your students' academic info, even with parents. A FERPA waiver allows your student to authorize limited access to their grades, transcripts, or financial aid details. It's completely optional and customizable. Some students prefer to give access just for emergencies, others for the entire school year. It's their call. Here are some optional docs for going the extra mile. If your student owns anything meaningful, like a car, a bank account, or even TikTok royalties, hey, it happens. A basic will ensures their assets go where they want them to. It's not morbid, it's mature. And if there's a pet in the picture, whether going with them to campus or staying home, you can include pet instructions as part of the plan. So why should parents really care? Look, I get it. Talking about estate planning with an 18-year-old can be like suggesting they call to schedule their own doctor's appointment. You might get an eye roll. But here's why it matters. Emergencies happen. And when they do, you don't want to be scrambling with paperwork or worse, going to court to get permission to help your own child. Privacy laws are real. Schools and hospitals aren't being difficult. They're following federal law. It's a rite of passage. Signing these documents is a sign of adulthood. It's a way for students to take ownership of their independence and make sure their loved ones can step in if needed. Let's talk about getting it done without drama. The good news, you don't need a trust fund to get these papers in place. At Gasper Law, we offer affordable options for students and families all across Texas, and we make it simple. Once signed, we recommend keeping the originals somewhere secure, not under the dorm bed, and sharing digital copies in a cloud folder accessible to both the student and their agent, usually a parent. Final thoughts, focus on what really matters. Starting college is a big step. It's exciting, overwhelming, and full of potential. Taking care of these legal documents won't take long, but it'll give you serious peace of mind. So you and your student can focus on what really matters: studying hard, making new friends, and building a bright future. If you're ready to get started, we're here to help. Visit GasperLawPLLC.com to learn more, or reach out for a personalized peace of mind planning session. Thanks for listening to Palm Pod, the Peace of Mind podcast. Be sure to subscribe, share with a parent or student in your life, and we'll see you next time with more ways to protect your people and your peace of mind.